Hello. Welcome to a Getting Started video. Today, we cover Morningstar Investing Center. We'll go over how to access Morningstar Investing Center, what information is in it, and how to screen, compare, and chart investment assets. Let's get started. Go to the Purdue Library's website to locate our A to Z list of databases. Morningstar Investing Center is on the list. Morningstar Investing Center contains analyst-enriched information on stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs together with market contexts. It allows asset screening and comparison and provides access to Morningstar ratings and analyst reports. There is a 5 concurrent user limit at Purdue. This is the Morningstar Investing Center homepage. In the middle of the page, you'll find a real-time overview of global markets. On the right side of the page, you'll find trending research from Morningstar analysts. At the top of the page, you can use the search box to find specific securities or broader topics covered by Morningstar analysts. Let's search for the topic AI. Topical analysis links are available. Let's next search for in-depth coverage of a specific security, for example, a mutual fund with the ticker PRPFX. Morningstar analyst reports are first of all known for their substantive ratings. You can also obtain comparables. Performance metrics. And analyst-enriched information on security-specific topics related to sustainability and ESG, risk, and more. On the left is the main navigation menu. The Morningstar Research toggle gives links to analyst coverage of asset classes like stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Select any of the Morningstar Research links to obtain expert market contextual analysis. For example, ETFs. The economic and market link covers insights and reports on changes to the market and economy that could impact investment decisions. The credit link covers economic and political trends influencing macro credit analysis. You can also screen, compare, and chart investment assets. Let's focus on the screen tool. To set up a screen, we first need to select an investment type from the drop-down. For our example, we'll leave it on the default, stocks. Next, we'll jump down to the classification filter and choose Healthcare under Sector and set a market cap of greater than 100 billion. Let's also choose to limit the list to 4- and 5-star ratings. Now we have a list of securities that meet our criteria. You can download the list in CSV format, but there are limits in place set up by Morningstar. You can also compare selected securities from your screening list. The Compare tool is activated. Or alternatively, you could start with the Compare tool if you know particular securities in advance. Let's manually add one more security to compare, Eli Lilly. Here too, you can download the results. The chart tool is customizable. You have many options. You can also draw on the chart. You can generate an image of a chart. Now you know how to access Morningstar Investing Center, what information is in it, and how to screen, compare, and chart investment assets. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.